cute. Let me check your temperature. Your hair looks so fluffy. I love it. Yay.
Am I usual 97.3?
It says 96.8, but
okay. That's even lower than usual. All my temperature's always so low, and I stay running hot.
Really? Like you feel hot?
I'm sweating. Look.
Oh, for real? For real?
My temperature's consistently low. I don't know why.
Oh, okay. Well, just wash your hands and then we'll get started. Is that a mic?
Mm-hmm.
This is so cute. Girls are definitely popping. So today we're just doing wash treatment because we don't need a trim or anything. So we're just gonna.
Expert. I signed up for a steam and something else, but again, I just pick stuff. I don't know.
Okay,
then you look at it and tell me what I need.
For our steam treatment, because our steamer is real, we have a real steamer. We spent the money, and then if for some reason it doesn't work the way that we wanted to, and so as a substitute, I started doing hot wet towels. But I like it better because it's like the wet heat is like right on the conditioner. So I love it. I love it, and the way that the hair responds to it is always really great. Okay. So let's get going.
Oh, that was quick. Retail products and salon products are not the same. That's what people are kind of like. They always wonder, well, how come my hair comes out so much better when I go to the salon? It's like, it's just, A, I'm a professional, and B, these are different products.
It is. Retail products, because they're trying to hit a certain price point, they are usually watered down, greased down, petroleum down, mineral oil down, and then the molecules are much larger. So that's why when people are always like, people will come back in the day and be like, oh, can you relax my hair? And they'd be like, oh, I want a kitty perm. Well, the relaxer that I have is much safer than you buying a kitty perm, because a kitty perm's molecules, the whole goal is to work fast. So you're talking about a molecule that's this big versus we have micromolecules in the products that we have. So it's like broken down so much different because the expectations are different. Usually professional relaxers, I'm just using a relaxer, but this same thing works in many other forms. So just put the leave-in conditioner. I'm gonna put a little bit of an oil and a serum in your hair.